Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a Sephora Play unboxing. This is for the month of February, obviously, 2018. Just got this box in the mail yesterday and I haven't opened it yet, so we'll be excited together. But you guys know I've been back and forth on whether or not I'm going to keep the Sephora Playbox subscription. I've been looking into a lot of others and they all have their pros and cons. But I think I've made a decision on what I'm going to move on to next. I don't like having multiple, tried Birchbox, tried Ipsy, now this. And so yeah, so let's just get in and see what February has to offer me. Ooh, okay. So this is the little sheet it came with this month. It's really cute. It actually looks kind of like almost circusy. I'm guessing there are going to be a lot of lipsticks because there's a lot of lipstick things on this. And then here we go, flipping it over. I was right, there is a lot of lipstick stuff in here. But this is the bag. It says Feel the Love. Always really cute bags. You guys know I like this bag better than like the Ipsy bags because I felt like I was drowning in little coin purses. These I don't feel bad about throwing away or giving away. So let's just dig in and pick out the first thing. Ooh, okay, so this is by Fresh. It is the Sugar Rosé. Ooh, rosé, girl, you know I like my rosé. Lip treatment, sunscreen, SPF 15. It says that it protects and smooths the lips while leaving a rosy tint, offering sheer coverage or buildable color. It's the perfect partner to our popular sugar lip treatment. This is adorable. I can already tell it's going to be the cutest little sample I've ever seen in my life. Get it out of here. And I was right. Look at this. Look at this. It's so cute. Let's see. I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. So this is the inside of it. Very rosy looking, as you can see. Smells a little, but not too bad. I'm actually going to put it on. Now, I just did a lip swatch video, so my lips are kind of like stained from that anyway. But let's just try it on and see anyway. How many times did I just say anyway? Ooh, that was smooth. I actually really like that. Very moisturizing. I guess it did leave a little tint, a little shine, which I'm not mad at. This is really nice. I think I will probably leave this in my purse because I like the way this feels. Perfect for work every day if you don't want to go full lipstick route. Okay, so next. This is by Pharmacy. I've gotten something by Pharmacy in another one of my boxes. It was like the Honey Bee something, and I really did not like it. I threw it away. But let's see what this is. It is a Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. A nourishing cleansing balm that erases makeup and gently lifts away impurities caused by pollution. Let's see. Now it's green inside. Definitely a balm, kind of like an oily texture. It actually smells really nice. So it has sunflower oil and ginger root to clear away residue while also moisturizing. I don't know if I would use this for my whole face, but maybe definitely my eye makeup and my brows. Maybe I'll have to try this tonight. Maybe I'll let you guys know on Snapchat what I think. Next. What is this? This is by Laura Mercier. This giant sticker is kind of covering what it says on there. But it's a caviar stick eye color in rose gold, long-lasting creamy eyeshadow stick in a shimmering pink champagne shade that delivers a subtle sweep of color. Perfect for highlighting the corners of your eyes and along your brow bones. Blah, blah, blah. I'm not really a fan of these types of things for eyeshadow. Good old powder eyeshadow does it for me. I'm trying to open this, but this very inconvenient sticker is ruining my life. I wanted to swatch it for you guys, but maybe Sephora doesn't want me to swatch it for you. Oh, there it goes. Okay, so this is what it is. We'll just swatch it on my hand here. You see it? Very subtle glow. It might be pretty for like how it said brow bone highlight and all that. Do I see myself being like, ooh, yes, I need this stick? No. Next. Oh, I just got that all over the place. Anyway, so this is another, you guys, I feel like this brand is in the Sephora Play box a lot. I was just looking at this today. This is the Believe or Believe, or I don't know how to say it. But look, I see I have another one by this brand that I got in my box. And I have something else too, but I don't know where it is. This is a moisturizing eye balm. Provides intense moisture, boosts elasticity. Now, I like eye creams a lot, so I'm not mad about this. Especially how the way that I've mentioned 5 billion times that the weather has treated my skin this winter or fall or whatever Vegas has. I'm not mad at this. It's very creamy texture. Ooh, very soft. Okay, so that's nice. I'll probably use this tonight. I don't know. Nice to have, I guess, and I'm pretty sure it's expensive. It's supposed to leave your eyes looking refreshed. Okay, next. So this is Sephora Rouge Matte Lipstick. They always send me pink shades, so I hope it's not a pink shade. Otherwise, I'm going to have to give it to my mama. Let's see. Very cute little sample, though. I will say that. It's a nice matte black packaging. Oh, okay. It's not pink. It's like a dark burgundy. Very nice. I've gotten one of their lipsticks before. Good formula, you know, nothing too special. I probably would prefer my ColourPop lipsticks that I just bought and swatched and did a video on for you guys. But I mean, good formula either way. This is in the shade Rebel Chic. Pretty color, very pretty color. It's moisturizing, doesn't feel chalky, and it's a berry hue. Very nice. I actually really like this sample. Super cute. And I think there's only one more thing in here, which is probably my least favorite thing ever. Yes, it is a perfume. Okay. It's Rose and Peony for the free-spirited woman. Let's just write. It smells nice, I guess. You guys know. I don't like perfumes, but whatever. So yeah, guys, that was the box. It wasn't a bad box. It wasn't. And for $10 a month, like, I mean, I can't really complain. I guess it's just boring. I think that's the problem with these boxes. These boxes are boring. Like, yeah, with my Ipsy, I stopped getting it because of the bag issue, and then like for a while there I wasn't getting like anything I felt was really of too much value in terms of what I like for makeup, even though it's supposed to be catered to me. And this is supposed to be catered to me too. There are different boxes you can get depending on your like quiz that you take online, but I don't know, these boxes are boring. They are, so I'm actually kind of disappointed. I think the two boxes that I've been going back and forth between are the Allure Beauty Box by Allure Magazine, you know, you guys know. And then, which is $15 a month, so it's $5 up. And then there's also the BoxyCharm box, and I don't remember if that one's $28 a month or $25 a month. But with those boxes, you get full-size products, so that's the reason for the price hike. And but the only thing with those is I'm pretty sure they're not like catered to whatever quiz you fill. I think everybody gets those boxes every month. So it's something to think about, but those are two that I'm going between. This will probably be my last Sephora Play box. I think I've made the decision. Although this box, I mean, despite all the lip products I really liked in here and that eye cream, so you know, it wasn't a bad box. I'm bored, guys. I'm bored. Okay. So that is it for this video. So I won't see you guys next month for March's box. But maybe I'll be back with another one. We'll see what I choose. Who knows? Nobody knows. Alright. So I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Hold up.